Adidas and Puma are two of the world's most iconic sports brands, and yet they're both based in this tiny town in Germany. That's because these two companies share a very controversial history filled with betrayal, sabotage, and a sibling rivalry like no other. Adolf and Rudolph Dassler were brothers, but they ended up starting rival shoe companies and becoming bitter enemies. The history of Adidas and Puma was like a lifelong chess match where both brothers stopped at nothing to try and destroy the other. Even to this day, their family feud still divides the entire town where they were born, with one half backing Adidas and the other backing Puma. This is a story of lies, secrets, and corruption. It spans to world wars and uncovers how the founders joined the Nazi Party, two brothers bound by blood, but driven apart by greed and ambition. This is the insane true story of Adidas and Puma. Rudolph Dassler, known as Rudy, was born into a poor family. 2 years later, his brother Adolf was born, known as Adi. Their father worked at a shoemaking factory, but he didn't earn enough. So their mother ran a laundry business on the side. Rudy and Adi would deliver laundry all around town. And so they quickly became known as the Laundry Boys. However, both boys were later drafted into the German army to fight in the First World War. By the time they returned home, their mother's laundry business had lost every customer. The war had destroyed Germany's economy. Adi had always been interested in athletics, and for many years he'd wanted to follow in his father's footsteps as a shoemaker. Adi figured that if he created spiked shoes specifically for running, it would give athletes a huge advantage. And so Adi decided to turn his mother's laundry shed into a workshop for making his own shoes. Adi spent days scavenging old battlefields for whatever he could find. He used strips of leather from helmets and string from broken parachutes. To make up for the lack of electricity, Adi attached a leather trimmer to a bicycle wheel and got a friend to pedal. It was clear his business had potential, so Adi's brother Rudy decided to quit his job and join him. Rudy was much more extroverted and charismatic, so he focused on sales, while Adi focused on design and manufacturing. In 1924, they officially started the Dassler brothers' sports shoe factory. But then Hitler rose to power, and everything changed. Both Adi and Rudy joined the Nazi Party. Their biggest breakthrough came during the 1936 Olympic Games in Berlin, the first Olympics ever to be televised. Adi personally approached Jesse Owens and offered him customized running shoes. Owens accepted and wore them during the Games. Owens went on to win the gold medals. This gave the Dassler brand global recognition. When World War II began, the factory shifted to producing boots and weapons for the German army. One night, during an air raid, Adi made a comment in a bomb shelter that Rudy took as a personal insult. The hatred between them became irreversible. In 1948, the brothers officially split the company. Adi founded Adidas, Rudy founded Puma. The town itself became divided, with Adidas on one side and Puma on the other. In 1954, West Germany competed in the FIFA World Cup. The team wore Adidas boots with revolutionary screwing studs. During the final, it began to rain. The muddy pitch gave Germany a major advantage. They pulled off a shocking victory. Before the 1970 World Cup, they agreed not to pursue Pell, but Puma secretly broke the agreement. Pell wore Puma boots and even paused during a match to tie his laces, ensuring cameras focused on the shoes. The brothers never reconciled. They were buried at opposite ends of the same cemetery. Today, they remain two of the biggest sports brands in the world. But their story is still remembered as an intense rivalry.